My GP has referred me to a urologist to handle my TRT. Being that you are a urologist, do most urologists follow a more liberal or conservative view of TRT?
Very much, I would say conservative in general. Most are not like me, where they're going more by symptoms. They're not going to freak out about, hematocrit, hemoglobin. They're still going to follow guidelines. Most urologists aren't that interested in TRT. It's not a passion. So that's why most urology clinics will really reluctantly sometimes, yeah, I'll do it. They'll still do the every 2-week protocol sometimes, or they'll push pellets a lot, honestly, because that's a moneymaker. So everything these days in modern medicine, whether you're private practice or even employed, it really is about the bottom line. And so they're going to do things that they might not otherwise have pushed. And pellets are a big one. That it really just depends on the urologist, just like it does for a GP or an endocrinologist. There are diamonds in the rough everywhere. But, if we're going with probability here, the probability that your urologist or GP or whoever endo or even TRT clinic is going to know what they're doing and be open to certain adjustments and letting you kind of guide the ship within reason, like that's very rare. And you just got to kind of, a guy was posting in Facebook about that this morning. Just go to your primary and they'll just give it to you. And it's like, dude, do you know how many guys come to me because their primaries make them worse? Like that is not the norm. And it's the same with urologists. They don't usually improve the way they don't think about things the way we think about them. So, yeah.